For this recipe you need half a kilo of bread. But is that really per person? Garibaldina-style eggs are delicious, very easy, inexpensive, and can be made in no time. Make them with me. Let's get started. First, I crush the garlic cloves and I chop them finely. I chop the garlic finely because I leave it in. If you don't feel like eating it, or if there's someone who has the usual issues with it, which is totally understandable, you just need to cut a couple of cloves in half. Don't make the mistake of leaving the cloves whole, because they don't add flavor. And then, once they're golden, you remove them. That's it. After chopping the garlic, I put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan, then I add the garlic. Please remember, I always tell you this when you do this step. Turn the knife. Otherwise you'll end up eating wood or plastic. I'm letting it brown, maybe keeping it on a low flame so it flavors the oil even better. Then I add the peeled tomatoes, always keeping it on a low flame. I break them up a bit. And if you want, you could also use a fork, but I prefer not to, so I don't risk damaging the bottom of the pan. Okay? Now I add a bit of salt. I give it a stir. Then I lower the heat a bit, cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes on low heat. When the sauce is ready, I break the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. I use small containers, but you can put the yolks on a plate. Then I add the egg whites to the peeled tomatoes and I let them thicken. Low heat, it will take a couple of minutes. Then I add a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, keep stirring a bit. Then when the egg whites have thickened, I add the yolks. Unfortunately, mine have broken, but don't worry because it's the same. I put a bit of pepper on top of the yolks. Bit of salt, cover it and cook on low heat for 1.5 minutes. 2 at most. Here we go, now I turn it off. And then, look, the yolk should stay like this. Let's see. Oh my. You have to try them because they're wonderful. Make them and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll say goodbye for now and as usual wish you a good meal before I go.